6 unboxing. I hope everybody is doing well. Very excited. I have 3 boxes this morning. Yeah, so that's always like a little extra because it's usually just 2. If you're joining us for unboxing for the first time, what unboxing is the dolls and the clothes are made over Vancouver Island, and they come over here and I unbox them and I see what's inside. So let's see what's inside. I don't really have any announcements, except I've got some little pocket dolls going up today at 3. That's about it. So it's kind of like yeah. It was an exciting weekend. I hung out with my sister, which is the best, and then I hung out with Ben because it was his 22nd birthday, and we had a nice day. And then last night we went out for dinner, so it's been a bit busy and stuff, but yeah, it's been good. Okay, so let's get into the boxes. I will first, let me just shoosh this one aside. It was a big coffee morning this morning. Oh my gosh. Oh. Water jug down. Okay, hang on. Let me just move this. I should have been organized. Okay. And move this over. All right, now we have some room. Let's move this and let's see what's inside. Okay. So if you're watching this, Audrey, I really love this size box. Just hint, hint. I like the smaller boxes because it's easier for me to do the unboxing. Okay. Oh, I'm so happy. We've got some Forever Friend clothes. It's been a long time since I had Forever Friend clothes, so I haven't been putting up as many Forever Friends. I have gorgeous Forever Friends here, so this week I will put quite a few Forever Friends up because I have so many here. But I had these color combinations, and I will put some of these up for sale too. But I got these, like, I don't know, I just thought that they were really fun, the colors together. And this is so cute. Look at this, the ramen, little bowls of ramen. And then this one, oh, I love this one too. This is like strawberries. Isn't that cute? And then, oh, and then we've got, love it, purses to match, the coordinating purses. And then, oh my God, it's so cute. I love this fabric. I can't stop buying it, the chickens or birds, whatever it is, but like with the gingham, I think is really sweet. And then this one, oh, this one's so cute. Whoa, this one's got a fancy purse. Oh my gosh, they all have fancy, these ones have fancy purses. So it's like, this is a really cute print. It's like mice camping in a camper van and like a little bowler. What are they doing? What kind of adventures are they going on? This is the kind of fabric as a child I would have lost my mind, because it's like there's like so much happening. Like, what's this parrot doing here? Like, it's just anyway, it's really cute. That, and oh my gosh, so exciting, more strawberries. As you can see, I love this fabric because it's like printed. Like, look, it's really very, very good. Oh my gosh, this just keeps going. And then this fabric with the unicorns and this really beautiful peach. Oh my gosh, so much all at once. This is incredible. This one with the strawberries, very pretty. And then this one, very pretty, really subtle. Yeah, that's a cool one. Got that. And then this one, Audrey made. Audrey had this made with some of her fabric. This is really cool. Like, it's like oh, and it's lined. Holy, it's fancy. So it's like just a white, like a cotton, but this is embroidered on. Isn't that cool? Really, really like subtle. So there's that. So I've got these guys here. I'm gonna put this in the clothing. Got to organize this. And then I've got lots in here of the limbs and stuff for Bridget, because Bridget works here, so she's got her work there. And then I got some underpants. Ready? And let's see. Oh, some little friend shoes in here. These are all for dressing. Some scraps. and some little scraps of hand spun for me. Perfect. Okay. This, oh, you know what, I'll just put it in here. Here. Okay. Let's see the next box. All right. This. First off, I've got some shoes, some little friend shoes, or little buddy shoes, and some little buddy, and little friend, I think, little buddy, what are these called? Oh my gosh, sweaters. Sorry. I've got some little buddy sweaters, and let's see, some cute little buddies. So I've got this green one. Oh. Excuse me, this one here. The allergies are strong this year. Holy, my eyes are so itchy all the time and they feel so puffy. I've never, like, I haven't really been an allergy person, but this year it's really bad. I don't know if it's just an age thing or it's getting, or I don't know. But anyway, then we've got this beautiful pink. Holy cow, look at this pink. It's even got sparkles in it. I don't know if you can see it on the screen, but it's got sparkles. So like, this is like bubblegum pretty. Her and her and her. It reminded me of my daughter. Oh, that's cute. So sometimes the stores, like our home stores, they put little notes on it, and this one says, it reminded me of my daughter. It reminded my daughter of my mom. That's really cute. That's really, really cute. And then we've got some of our little friends. We've got this one. Oh, and then wait, one more. Oh, look at her. Little butter yellow. If Lisa Watson saw this is totally her kind of doll. She loves yellow dolls. So there's that girl. And then we've got some more. We've got this purple girl. Oh, I was excited about this. Look at this lemon yellow with this pastel-y kind of hand spun in her hair. Isn't she so cute? So cute. Love her. And then I've got this one here. And this one here. And then, oh, this one. Oh my God. Listen, look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Beautiful. This one. Oh my gosh. And look at this one. With this hand spun in it. That's really, really nice. That one. And then, oh, another rainbow. Love it. I always think, like, and honestly, it's not just me saying it. I'm like, I think this is the last, because I know generally how long, like how many dolls we can get out of a skein. So it's just like, you know, there's only a couple usually we can get with the same hand spun out of one skein. So I'm in my head, I'm always like, oh yeah, there'll only be like one left or whatever. But obviously, Andrea, she's made more because we got it again. So that's really nice, because you know what, we can never have enough rainbow. And then there's this beautiful girl. Holy, look at her, so pretty. This hand span has like the orange with like a little bit of purple and a little bit of pink. Very complimentary. Really, really pretty. And then I have, oh my gosh, you guys, this, I love this. I actually remember choosing this light purple. Isn't that so pretty? So pretty. Oh, I love it. I love it, love it, love it. She's gorgeous. Okay, we've got her. And then for our friends, we have this one. For our friends, they're just like the perfect like adult doll. I mean, look at the hugging, the like hanging out. Like she could just like hang out with you on the couch and watch a show. Oh my gosh. And speaking of shows, Jasper and I feel like we hit gold when we find a show we both like, because we have a bit different tastes. But We're watching Abbott Elementary, and it's so cute. It's such a good show. What a nice show. Anyway, if you're looking for a show to watch with your kid, it's really, really great. That's the only time I really watch any television is with Jasper, because I generally don't watch TV. Like, anyway, but yeah, it's Abbott Elementary, really cute. Look at this one. It's a forever friend with the green. We've had like the little friends, but not a forever friend. Look at her. So, well, maybe we have, but I just don't remember because I have such a bad memory. And then there's this beautiful girl here with the pink and light brown. Oof, she's really, really nice. And then I have this girl with the blonde and the pink. Oh, that's nice. Just like the titches of pink in there. And then we have, oh yeah, this girl with the light ginger. And her handsman here, hair. And then this one, oh, her sister. So nice. This one with this, oh, you know, I have sometimes things that just kind of come together in my head. But I think, no, not that one. Oh, I have to do this right this second, you know. Which one was it? Oh, her. I think this with the colors together, the blue, and then give her like this color eye and this. That's really beautiful together. Isn't that nice? Anyway, okay. Let's see what else I got. I've got another box. I'm gonna put these girls away. And if there's anybody here in this pile that you'd like to see, let me know and I will make it happen. Okay. You can let me know the color of the eyes and stuff, and if I catch it in time, I can do it and put it up this week. Okay, let's see. And these clothes will go up next Wednesday, so that's the plan. Okay. Oh my gosh, there's so much clothes in there. Oh. Okay. All right. So, oh, I'm so happy to see these guys. Okay, we've got really sweet little buddy dresses. So I've got this with the blue, and then this with the pink flowers, and then this with the ochre, which I really love this one, and then this one. Oh good, yeah, this one. I was like, oh good, please let this be the right side up. It is. Sometimes, and I understand when you've been sewing for a long time, you put the pattern ends up upside down, so this one's all right side. This is really, really cute. This is the new rifle fabric, and it's kind of patches. Isn't that sweet? Okay, so we've got that. Very happy. So I'll have some of these up, and these could fit both little buddy and Pico. Obviously a bit bigger on the Pico, but it fits both. And then we've got so many pajamas. So many pajamas. I am going to just like, I just went to town and got like every flannel that was there because I just want to have pajamas up. So we've got pajamas in all sizes. Look at this pajama. It has like little, I don't know, what are these? They're like little, they look like little narwhal. Well, they are little narwhals. And then we've got this one with the rainbow. So this stuff will be up next Wednesday. And then this one's like a bear with balloons. I just got everything. And then just like some pink flowers, because it's good to have up there, even if it doesn't like sell right away, just sitting there so that there's the option that if people want pajamas for their dolls. This one. What I would really love to do, this is like the goal, is to find some, oh my gosh, look how cute this is with the unicorns. Like find 3 fabrics or whatever that I really, really love of pajamas, and then buy bolts. I never buy bolts of fabric, right? Like I only buy like 1 or 2 meters at a time because that's just how I do it. and I like having the variation, but I'd like to get like a couple bolts, and then that's like a add-on that you can do easily of pajamas and just have them always in stock. Anyway, business ideas. Okay, look at this Sitting Friends hair. Oh my gosh, I love this. I remember when we put this together, I just like, are you sure you want to put the green? I was like, yeah, I want to put the green. Doesn't that look so cool? Yeah, so anyway, there's this one. Just give myself a little pat on the back for this one. Holy, look at this. What's going on here? Did we give this girl bangs? But she's got long hair. Okay, look at her. She's gonna have bangs and this really cool hair. Oh, and then the yellow. So this is a yellow sister to that other one. Very nice. And then this, oh, look at this green. Beautiful. And then this one's gonna be another bob one, I think. And then this blue, so pretty. And then I've got this brunette with her really long hair. Can't get enough of this. Like really the brown, and then the brownie hand spun is so pretty. I think we do it every week because it's so nice. No words, right? This girl is so cute. Look at that, the dreads, so nice. And then this beautiful girl here. Look at that. Oh, so nice. So many nice dolls this week. Holy. And then this beautiful girl here too. So, yeah, very, very nice. Okay. Got some ears. Yeah, just got some ears here. I'm sure I asked for them. I don't know if I have something happening, but I've got some ears and I've got some wool. So this is just for us here. Okay, so that's what we've got going on. I'm gonna organize and do all that thing, and then that's it. All right, so thank you for watching. I'm sorry if you're yapping and I can't see it. I can't see the comments. It doesn't even show me that anybody's watching this. So I don't even know. Is anybody watching this? I hope so. Okay, thank you so much. I will chat with you guys later. I'm gonna get this organized. I'm gonna start sewing. We've got the pockets at 3, and yes. Okay, thank you everybody, and we'll talk to you later. And this is always like really one of the highlights of my week. Honestly, like I love doing this and sharing. It kills me that I can't see comments, but oh well, what can we do? Okay, bye guys.